This is a video of 33 Sundog in Weaverville. It's a gravel road. It's a little steep as you come up, but I did it just fine. Take a look at this exterior. Very peaceful back here, quiet. Looks like there's some flat land off to the left. I do not believe it's part of the property, but I will pull that up. Beautiful exterior. Continue around. It's not really a true drive as of now, but they've got all the utilities in. That's your HVAC mini split on the side. As you drive up, there are some horses on the right. And you're right off 26, but you definitely do not feel it. There's a farm smell as well. That's the road continuing past the home. This is the road continuing down to the main road. So it's just a tiny bit of gravel, and I'll video it on the way out. But there you can get an idea of the home. It's kind of tucked down there. And next I'll head inside.